Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, let's wait for gets this can we call the Raytortie get during the thunderstorm gets scared by thunder during a severe thunderstorm morning. This may shout she will be shouting, screaming when she hears thunder, but she doesn't like. Both parents and Raytortie will comfort her if she gets scared. She's just a 1-year-old. Anyways, without further ado, this video begins now. Starts. Just to let you know that tomorrow is Sunday, then Monday, and Thea will come on Tuesday. We're all gonna meet her. I'm going to have a kitten. That's it. And yes, she's coming. Anyways, starts. What a nice evening in Texas. Or almost night in Texas. The clouds are still away. The sun is still up. Even the moon is still up. Almost. Later my statements. Watch the news. Dun 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 dun. Break. Favorites, are you watching? Favorites, are you watching the news? Yeah, to make sure there's nothing happening. I'm watching with you. Already. Oh, you're watching with me. Nice. Breaking news. A massive severe thunderstorm is and massive thunder is heading towards the county Pawtucket. And this storm is expected to last for a couple of hours. So all residents of Pawtucket County are advised to be prepared for this storm. But it's just a storm, not sure, no threats yet. Anyways, the emergency alert will learn about you. Anyways, stay safe. Thunderstorm. Oh no, it's gonna be coming towards us soon, and yes, as you may know, 2024 is coming quick, and we're gonna make the last final video in 2024 and 2021. We're gonna do the New Year's special. Oh, just to let you know that very soon Fabius is gonna turn into a cat just like us. Just like Raytortie can be. Yeah, but even though I'm a town, but my entire family I'm gonna be a cat. I wonder which cat I'm gonna be. You're probably gonna be like Viola, but I don't know. But, anyways. Let me see. Oh, the cars are coming in a little bit. I thought the cars were not supposed to come, but it just came. Anyways, why don't you two go into your room and spend time with your new baby kitten? I know, Texas. But it'll be okay. Yeah, but we're gonna play Minecraft in a little bit. Okay. Got my favorites. Wait for me. Wait till we can. Mommy, Daddy, meow. Oh, I forgot about her. Anyways, guys wanna play Minecraft in a little bit? Yeah, good idea. Yeah. What is the Raytortie doing? Um, she's just she's just meowing right now. But that's because mommy found the kitten her. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Maybe so you guys sound like us. What? Why? Because you're gonna be a cat soon. Baby's gonna be a cat. Am I gonna have two moms? Yeah. My favorite will sound different. He will be a slash male female, so that means he will sound different. I know. Why are you standing? Just make sure that there's no storm coming towards us. I don't like dinosaurs. I'm scared of them. What? Why are you scared of dinosaurs? Every time I hear thunder, it scares me like meow, scream, and cry. I know. Oh, it's done. Wait, oh no. What? It already turned dark already? And it's. Oh no, the clouds are dark. Oh, Jesus Christ, no. Later, check this room. Wait, what did the moon go? Oh no. The clouds are dark, and we just started playing our game. Hopefully, there's no outage. Yeah, I know. Actually, we don't get allergies during this power storm. I know. You're right, Texas. Very famous. Anyway, okay, all of us are in. Whoa, that creeper didn't kill me. Who just killed that creeper for me? I did. I just killed a creeper for you. Arizona just hit and I hit it, and you hit it last. Wow, thank you, New Mexico and Arizona. Now we kill the creeper together. Ouch! Stupid. Ouch! Skeleton. Oh, I can keep the bow. Yeah, you can still keep the bow anyways. Anyways, later in Fabian's room. Fabian's a Raytortie. Oh, another news. Breaking news. A massive thunderstorm is heading towards Pawtucket County. Be ready for the alert. See this yellow stuff? Yeah, it could be possible. Okay, please stand by. The following message has been transmitted by the President of the United States government along with the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Pawtucket County has issued a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for 9 a.m. Yeah, it's already like, 5 p.m. Remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At approximately 5:30 p.m. in Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located at 35 miles east of Pawtucket County, or 95 miles west of El Paso, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm must be coming from the city of El Paso, so near the downtown area where Cedar Waters is. It is moving towards Pawtucket County. For your protection, move indoors and stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. A severe thunderstorm, a severe thunderstorm watch means that severe that the severe that severe thunderstorms may continue in the area. The severe thunderstorm watch is expected to expire to severe thunderstorm warning within the next 1 hour or within the next 10 minutes. So yeah, stay safe and do not go outside. Please stay home. And also, the miles per hour Uh, the wind outside is 10 miles per hour, but it's moderate because it's gonna be at 15 miles per hour. There's damaging winds, damage to roads, and large hail. So yeah, be careful. Be safe. Beep, beep, beep. Oh God, a severe T-storm watch has been issued for an area. So it's 95 miles west of El Paso, and it's 35 miles east of us. So, oh God, no. Wait, what? 35 miles away from us? Oh no. Wait, why does your house look like a stump shape? Because I made it myself with golden blocks and amethyst blocks, but I had to put 4 on in the nuts in. Oh God, please don't tell me I'm next to another cat's house. Yeah, but they're just things like the homes. So, so what? What is it? Favens? You still remember my name? Yes, Favens. Yeah. What's a severe T-storm watch? A severe T-storm watch means that there could be damaging winds or large hails to fall over here. So we're under it right now. But El Paso is under no alert yet. But we are located in western Texas. But at the next alert, he's gonna say western Texas. But a severe T-storm watch also remains in effect for El Paso County, western Texas. But it's not gonna happen. But anyways, he's little little Raytortie cat. And you know that me and Raytortie can always love you so much, even though I'm 37 and she is 37, and you're only 1 years old. You're a baby kitten right now. I know, but how did you find me without even noticing I'm crying? Sorry, forgot to turn around. Anyways, Raytortie cat. Yeah, what is your favorite? Have you noticed that the severity to March means that a miles per hour is going to go up to a moderate, which is 15 miles per hour? Yeah, damaging winds. It could be at 25 miles per hour, which is a little bit strong. And I haven't heard any thunder yet. That's good because I don't like thunder. And the next video we're going to do, remember we were playing cars about below freezing. You see, which means that it's 31. The tonight says 31, so that means it's below freezing. Hold on. Anyways. Oh, Babies, I'm sorry for you. You're gonna turn into a cat. I know. I always want to be a cat. Even though was gonna understand my voice. Hopefully be a fluffy cat that's like me. Huh? A fluffy cat. Look, my fur. Oh, right. I wonder which cat I'm gonna be in. Let's bring down. Okay, so I'm 0% completed right now, so that means I'm not a cat yet, but even though it kind of turns into a cat, I'm still gonna have powers. Later. Anyways, I'm gonna have to use something to make the thunder noise, so give us a few minutes. Hmm. An ad. Always. What's wrong? Yeah, what's wrong? Thunder. I'm scared. Oh no, I forgot about that. What the? Does it? Oh no, no, no! Don't need to be scared. Little Raytortie cat, me and Raytortie cat here. I know you're scared, but remember, we're still a Texas Italian family. I know, but it's got thunder right now. I know. Oh, wait. Oh, there's another alert. What is it? The Natural Weather Service in Pawtucket County in El Paso County has issued a severe Tuesday morning for. Let's do the first one. In Tex for for in Pawtucket County in western Texas until 11:30 p.m. in Central Daylight Time. At approximately 5:40 p.m. in Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Pawtucket, or 110 miles west of El Paso, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Impact: this thunderstorm will bring severe heavy rainfall and large hail. Impact: uh, damaging winds will make the tree branches to fall. Large hail and damaging to roofs, vehicles, likely. Damaging uh, to trees is possible. For your protection, moving to on the lowest floor of the story building. But this is not a tornado, it's just a severe thunderstorm warning. Anyways, stay inside and do not go outside. Let's do the next letter for El Paso County. The Natural Weather Service in El Paso County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: El Paso County in western Texas is until 7:30 until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. 7:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm, another severe thunderstorm was located at 15 miles, 35, 25 miles west of El Paso, or 135 miles north of Las Cruces, moving west at 35 miles per hour. This thunderstorm was located near the bridge of Mexico between Ciudad Juarez and El Paso. So, locations impacted include, damage to roof. There might be impacts of the severe thunderstorm or large branches to fall, and, and even damaging winds. Large hail may be possible, and damaging winds might be possible for roofs and trees and vehicles is likely. Locations impacted include Ciudad Juarez is in northern Mexico, El Paso County in western Texas, Las Cruces is in down on the county in south central New Mexico, Pawtucket County in western Texas. Is, is, Remember, stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Please stay tuned for more and stay in your room. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, Jesus Christ. El Paso's on the severe thunderstorm watch. We're on the severe thunderstorm warning. This means we're affected. No, I'm scared of thunderstorms. Mommy. I know. Oh, but we have to continue. 20 minutes have passed. This video may be 45 minutes long, which is not almost an hour. It'll be 11 by now, but I don't know. Oh, something just turned off. Let me turn it back on. Oh, it's raining outside. No, I'm scared of thunder. Favorites. Raytortie cat. I'm scared of thunder, man. No, make this stop. I'm sorry, but this severe taste of morning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. in Central Daylight Time. While Paso County lasts until let's see, 10:30 Mountain Daylight Time. Let's keep it down a little bit. But I'm sorry, but thunderstorms can last for later in Texas. What is? Oh my goodness! It's raining really hard and it's windy. Oh great! We're on the severe thunderstorm warning. This means that we're affected too. El Paso County, which is right here, is under severe thunderstorm watch. While Donna Ana County in south central New Mexico and Cedar Lines in northern Mexico is affected too. I know, but let's continue on later in Bader's room. Oh, baby, my toy can't make it stop. Who didn't? Oh, no. I don't have a tantrum. It's just that thunder's so scary. But I'm scared of thunders. I know you're scared of thunders. But, 22 minutes. We just started the thunderstorm. But 10 hours might reach our GB. Phew, I'm not scared of thunderstorm. Good job, remember point. You're the bravest kitty in the entire earth. Thanks. Make the storm. I just want to sleep. Thunder is so scary. I'm scared of thunder. Make this storm. Aww. She's scared of thunder, but it's gonna last until 11:30 Central Daylight Time. Well, past the thunderstorm, it's gonna last until 10:30 p.m. is Mountain Daylight Time, including Las Cruces and Cedar Waters. The Natural Water Service in El Paso County, Donna Ana County, and Cedar Waters, Chihuahua, Mexico has issued a severe thunderstorm warning and remains in effect until the 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At approximately, these are the following county-side areas: El Paso County in western Texas, Donna Ana County in south central New Mexico, Raytortie County in western Texas, and Cedar Waters, Chihuahua, New Mexico, in northern Mexico, until the 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At approximately 7:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of There's another thunderstorm that's 5 miles west of El Paso, and another thunderstorm is 5 miles west of south of Las Cruces, and there's other thunderstorm is 5 miles north of Cedar Waters. These thunderstorms are moving south, west, and north at 25 miles per hour. This thunderstorm will be hitting several areas, so please be careful. So yeah, for your protection, go into your rooms and stay outside. In case if there's a power outage, just use a flashlight. So yeah, stay home, you guys. Beep, beep, beep. Ah, great. See that was El Paso County and Don Ana County are affected by thunderstorm. Ew, this thunderstorm is so scary. Babies, hold me. But little Raytortie cat, Fabians, this is next to you. He's just touching your back right now. Guys, stop. Later in Texas. Aww. That's a Raytortie cat scare thunderstorms during a severe Tuesday morning. Is it going to stop? No, it's still going. Make it stop. Favorites. I thought it was gonna last until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, but they tricked us not to 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I know this is gonna take forever. It's 10:26, so we may stop. Anyways, it's a few hours later when the severe thunderstorm severe thunderstorm warning in El Paso County shit out is in down on the county were almost expired. They're not intending it wrong. The Washington D.C. has confirmed that these thunderstorms are Favens, El Paso County, Ciudadanos, and Donana County are expected to last within the next 2 hours. As for Pawtucket County, it's gonna last even longer. So be comfortable, everyone. These thunderstorms are expected to last until 11:30 is Central Daylight Time and 10:30 in Central Mountain Daylight Time. So 3 hours for Pawtucket County, 2 hours for Cedar Waters, El Paso, and Donner County. Be safe. No, remember, I don't want to wake up. No, I want to play with cat toys. You do have cat toys. Hold on, my Bella push to keep me safe. It's not helping me. I thought it was gonna help me, but no, Ravens is not helping her. Oh my goodness. Look, I know you're scared of thunderstorms, but don't worry, it's gonna last for 3 hours. Oh, thank God. Oh, I know. Oh, 28 minutes. We might do longer than that. Looks like it changed. But later in El Paso County, I'm getting affected by the thunderstorm. Cedar said, "No, how could this happen?" Then County, I'm also affected. Well, this is gonna last for 2 hours for us, but Pawtucket County can last for 3 hours. Well, Mountain Daylight Time, what is Central Daylight Time? Yeah, I know. 10:30 for us and 11:30 for them. So yeah, 2 hours late. Wait, no, not yet. So scary. Too scary, too scary, too scary, man. Make it a little bit louder. It's so scary, baby. Hold on. Trying to. I'm scared thunderstorm pagans. Please help me. I know. Okay. 2 hours later, the night attention everyone. all residents of El Paso County, citywide and down in the county. The severe Tuesday warning has expired, so all residents of two counties in the United States, one city and citywide, one city, Mexican city, are advised to get out of your homes. But however, there's massive flooding to the cities. County, there's massive flooding to El Paso, Las Cruces, and Cedar, those metropolitan areas. It may take likely 5 minutes for the storms of water to be over. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. But Pawtucket County's thunderstorm is expected to last for 1 hour. So it's 10:30, so please be safe, you guys. Beep, beep, beep. Our Pawtucket County said, woohoo, we survived. Last user said, yes, even though we're flooded. Yeah, see what I said. This thunderstorm has hit us. I don't, and then the goose go, oh, I forgot. See, I want to speak Spanish. See, El Paso the Northern. It's in Espanol. I know. And the good storm, the storm is finally is met over. We can make it. We made out. But and now that we get relaxed. I know. But good stuff. Yeah, let's hang out. Later, Bobby. Later, 10 minutes later, when the flooding has ended. The flooding has may ended. A flash flood warning still remains in effect for Pawtucket County due to its massive flooding. The flash flood and the severe weather statement has been issued for Pawtucket County. It will last for 1 hour for 50 minutes. Anyways, Pawtucket County's last for this thunderstorm. It's too scary. Oh no, our house is falling. We're gonna die. No, don't say that. It's okay, bro. Let's hope we take care. We're here. It's okay. Meow. Oh, don't need to cry. Don't scream, turning their ears. Oh god, this thunderstorm's lasting for longer than I expected. Pawtucket County is now receiving 5 inches of rain. 5 inches of rain. Oh god, it's flooding over here. Oh my goodness, this is lasting forever. Okay, we have 50 minutes. Just 40 minutes later, when the thunderstorm is over, attention everyone, Pawtucket County. The severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning, severe weather statement still remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Central Daylight Time. It's now 11:20, so yeah. But the flooding is gonna go away at the same time, so please be careful. I don't want to wait that long. This is taking forever. I know, little Raytortie can, but this is our best. After this video, we're gonna do Bloomberg real planes, but it's okay. 5 minutes later. Oh, it's 10, 11, 25. Ugh, this storm is lasting for a long time. Make it a little bit louder just in case. Four minutes later. Oh, almost there. 1 minute. This is so scary. I know. It's so scary. But I'm not scared. 15 seconds left until the thunderstorm's over. 15, 14, 13. No, please don't kill me. I'm too young to die. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Dude. Huh? Later, when the flooding has ended and the alerts are finally over. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You little wait, Toy cat. It's okay. The thunderstorm's over. The alerts have ended, and you can finally relax with your beloved plush. Yeah, finally. Yeah. Oh, it's already time for bed, but we're gonna do the next video, like 2 videos this time. I know. 36 minutes. This video is longer. I know. Hmm. Guys, it's time for bed. Guys, it's time for bed. Oh, looks like it's time for bed, everyone. Oh, okay, everyone just left, and now we can sleep in different spots. Come on, let's go. And it might be a lot toy. Yeah, soft. Thank you, Mommy, for buying it for me. I know. I love you. I love you too, Mommy. Huh? Wait a weekend. Why you made me lay on your belly again? Because I love you. Oh. Anyways, and then goodbye, everybody. Hold on. Goodbye, everybody. This is little Raytortie cat getting scared thunder during a severe thunderstorm warning. Other areas got affected in North Mexico, western Texas, 2 counties, and south central New Mexico. Anyways, goodbye. And see you later. Bye. I love y'all. Yeah. And get the camera kiss. Anyways, goodbye. Yeah. What do you say, Texas? You know what it is? Peace out. Goodbye, everybody. Yeah. We're gonna do the next video, so please stay tuned. Goodbye. And see you in the next video. And as always, you know what it is? Peace out. See you on the next video. And good night. Sleep tight, everybody. Good night, Texas. Good night, everyone. Peace out.